In this video, you will learn how to construct the genetic diagram. So in this case, right, he observed that the resulting F1 generations, they are all tall plants. So you can infer that the tall allele is the dominant allele, alright, and the dwarf allele is the recessive allele. So with that, you can actually proceed to construct the genetic diagram. So for a genetic diagram, you need to include the headings. So we start with the parents' phenotype, the physical appearance. So in this case, we have tall and we have dwarf. Alright, and then you include the parents' genotype, the genetic makeup, right? Now in this case, the question mentions purebred, meaning the two copies of alleles are the same. So in this case, the genotype should be this. Same goes for purebred dwarf. The two copies are the same, right? So if you come across the word purebred, it means that the two alleles are exactly the same, right? So you have the parents' phenotype, the parents' genotype. Next, you need to include the gametes. Remember, after meiosis, okay, the number of chromosomes will be halved. So gametes contain a haploid number of chromosomes. Okay. Alright. And the same goes for this. So include the word meiosis. And then you draw the gametes. Alright. Next you have F1 generation, which is actually the offspring genotype. Right. So this gamete from this parent will fuse with this gamete from the other parent. Right? So this is one possible combination. Okay? This gamete can also fuse with this gamete, right? And this gamete will fuse with this gamete. And last but not least, this gamete will fuse with this gamete. Now you realize that all the genotypes are the same, right? And the F1 generation phenotype, right? They are all tall. Because remember, the tall allele is the dominant allele. And the dominant allele will express itself in the heterozygous condition. Okay, and therefore that is why, okay, that is the reason why the resulting F1 generation hybrids, they are all tall plants. So this is the genetic diagram that can be used to explain. Alright?